Hello tech enthusiasts, today we're going to be looking at a custom ROM for the Samsung Galaxy Tab 4. Now this is called the Prism Bare-bone MOD, and as the name implies, this basically scraps down all of Samsung's features, gets rid of TouchWiz, nobody liked it anyway, and basically makes it a much faster tablet. And by the way, for those people who are complaining about my hair, it's going to be cut soon, I promise. Now, let's take a look at the ROM. Now a couple things I left out. You do need to be rooted and have twerp flashed, so if you need to do that, go to the link in the description to see how to do it. Now here's my system settings. Now I do want to show you that it does say Android 4.4.2 KitKat. So basically, to flash the ROM, you want to move it to an external SD card, which I have in the slot back here, and you want to shut down your tablet. Power off. Now once it powers off, these are very crucial buttons. The buttons you want to hold are the home button, the volume up button, and the power button. Hold all three together, and when the screen comes on, release the power button. That should bring you into the Team 1 boot screen. And here are more crucial steps. When you install a custom ROM, you want to do a full wipe of your tablet, which means you delete your pictures, your apps, your everything, just everything. So when you go to wipe, and you want to hit format data and type yes, and then hit enter. When that finishes, it'll give you the option to go back again, and then swipe to do a factory reset. Hit back again, and then you want to go to install. Chances are you'll be in a blank folder. You want to click up a level and then go to your external SD card. Scroll down to where you moved the ROM and tap it. And it's going to say operation may install incompatible software and render your device unusable. Now swipe to confirm flash. When it's done, it's going to say thanks for using Prism Bare-bone ROM. Have a nice day. So you just want to reboot system. Once the install is done, I'm going to go through the setup, and the setup is going to be a tad bit different. Now this is where it goes a little different. It goes to the stock Android keyboard. Agree to those terms, it's going to be signing in. And you're back to the Galaxy setup. It's going to ask you to set your device name. I'm going to name it Anon Tablet. Now you're going to be brought to the home screen, and it's going to say the beta. This is unfinished pre-release software. There will be bugs. Please politely report issues you find. If you are uncomfortable with the state of this pre-release, please revert to the stable version and hit got it. Now when you get to the home screen, you're going to notice it is very, very, very empty. Those are the apps you are limited to. That is all you have in terms of apps. You have no Gmail, you have no YouTube, you have to go and download those all manually. That is the reason why it is called the Prism Bare-bone ROM, because it gives you absolutely nothing. When you first go in, the super user binary is going to be updated, so you're going to want to update that. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel and update that later. So what you get with this ROM is an extremely fast and seamless performance. Like, it is amazing how much Samsung features are on this that slow it down. It just goes. As you can see, I am still on Android 4.4.2. I love this. And you can still download the apps that have been scrapped, except for Samsung. So what you're getting with this ROM is butter smooth performance with almost absolutely zero stutter on system animations. Now one thing this does not improve is gaming performance. So if you had a game that lagged on your tablet before, chances are it's going to lag now. But it still doesn't change the fact that it's a 1.2 GHz quad processor with a gig of RAM. Now that I've talked really good about this ROM, it's time to talk about the bad stuff about this ROM. It does remove the IR blaster, so if you frequently use that, you're not going to be using it now. So that's all that's bad about it, but smooth system performance that's just not going to quit on you is worth it. Well guys, thanks for watching, and for my next video I'll be showing you how to use a PS3 controller for games on the Samsung. Stay tuned.